to ASG. ASG believe in quality, commitment and success. CAP Current Affairs Program, a comprehensive current for dedicated student. Listening is very powerful. इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स को जरूर नोट करें. बस 5 मिनट अपना दें मेरे दोस्तों, बस 5 मिनट अपना दें. सोर्स द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर, नवभारत टाइम्स, दैनिक जागरण. मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें. आपके इस छोटे प्रयास से लाखों करोड़ों लोग को फायदा पहुंचेगा. सबसे पहले भगवत गीता का ये श्लोक, सबसे पहले भगवत गीता का ये श्लोक. सर्वकर्माणि मनसा सन्निसास्ते सुखमसि नवद्वारे पुरे देहि नैव कुर्वन् कार्यं. जब देवधारी जीवात्मा अपनी प्रकृति को वश में कर लेता है और मन से समस्त कर्मों का परित्याग कर देता है, तब वह 9 द्वारे वाले नगर भौतिक शरीर में बिना कुछ किए कराए सुखपूर्वक रहता है. Preamble of the Constitution. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity or sharing the dignity of individual in our individual and the unity and integrity of the nation in our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. So the most important news of the day. First set to data from the Chandrayaan-2 released ISRO. First set of data from Chandrayaan-2 released ISRO. All experiments are performing well and data received suggest excellent capability to deliver on pre-launch promises. The Indian Space Research Organization on Thursday said it had released the first set of data from the country's second mission to the moon, Chandrayaan-2, for the general public. Chandrayaan-2 was launched on July 22, 2019 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh. The orbiter, which was injected into a lunar orbit on September 2, 2019, carries 8 experiments to address many open questions on the lunar science. All experiments have been performing well, and the data received suggest excellent capability to deliver on the pre-launch promises. The ISRO said. The next most important, Article 356. Article 356 and an activist judiciary. In framing a government which is to be administered by men over women, the great difficulties lies in this. You must first enable the government to control the governed, and in the next place obliged to control itself, and said James Madison. Judicial activism may be good as a rare exception, but an activist judiciary is neither good for the country nor for the judiciary itself, as it would encourage the government to appoint committed judges. Sometimes even the collegium recommendations on transfer of judges and the Chief Justice today looks more like an executive over transferring IS officer. The recent order of Andhra Pradesh High Court directing the Andhra Pradesh government to come prepared to argue on the breakdown of the constitutional machinery in the state is shocking, as it opens the possibility of use of even misuse of Article 356 by the judiciary, though the Supreme Court of India has stated the order. We need to go deeper into this observation and look at the controversial provision of Article 356 because of which the High Court could make such an observation. The devil is in the provision itself. Urdu author Asar Farooqi passes away. He is famous for the magnum opus Kai Chand The Sare Asma. In 1950s, Samsur Rahman Farooqi appeared for the civil services interview a few days before Republic Day. It was a young man's first visit to Delhi. One of the distinguished persons on the interview panel asked him whether he would step back to watch the parade. "No, I don't like such a tamasa," he replied. He got a 0 in the interview. Farooqi, who died on Friday, was coming the finest literary brains in Urdu, who refined Urdu criticism. His greatest feat perhaps was his mammoth novel Kai Chand Sare Asman, The Mirror of the Beauty, a work that he began writing at the age of 70. There aren't many instances in the world literature of a novelist published in the thick masterpiece in his or her twilight years. He was born in 1935 in what was perhaps the golden age of the Urdu translation between 1910 and 1940. Several classics were translated into Urdu, including Madame Bovary, The Red and the Black, and even many versions of the Gita. Faruqi's favorite was rendered by the Khwaja Dil Muhammad as a Dil Ki Gita. Dil Ki Gita. In such an atmosphere, the young boy took early to literature and brought out his first general, Gulistan, on seats pulled out of the notes, even the just class. राजनीति इंतजार कर सकती है, विकास नहीं। अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम विश्वविद्यालय में 1964 के बाद पहली बार मुख्य अतिथि बने प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने नए भारत के निर्माण के लिए युवाओं से आगे आने को आह्वान किया। उन्होंने कहा कि सियासत से बड़ा समाज होता है। राजनीति इंतजार कर सकती है, लेकिन देश का विकास नहीं। पिछली शताब्दी में मतभेद के नाम पर बहुत समय खराब हो चुका है। अब समय नहीं गंवाना है, आत्मनिर्भर भारत पर काम करना है। समाज में वैचारिक मतभेद होते हैं, ये स्वाभाविक भी हैं। बात जब राष्ट्रीय लक्ष्यों की प्राप्ति की हो तो सारे मतभेद किनारे रख दिए जाने चाहिए। पीएम मोदी ने मंगलवार को अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम विश्वविद्यालय के शताब्दी समारोह में ये बातें की। बता दें, 1964 के बाद पहली बार देश के किसी प्रधानमंत्री ने AMU समारोह को संबोधित किया। संबोधन से पहले प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने रिमोट से AMU का डाक टिकट जारी किया। ऑनलाइन हुए शताब्दी समारोह में मोदी ने मुस्लिम छात्राओं के स्कूल ड्रॉप आउट रेट कम होने वाली ताली बजाई। कहा, पहले मुस्लिम बेटियों का स्कूल ड्रॉप आउट रेट 70% था, ये अब 30% रह गया। मुस्लिम बेटियों का स्कूल ड्रॉप आउट रेट कम से कम हो, इसके लिए हमारी सरकार काम कर रही है। AMU में भी अब लड़कियों की संख्या 35% हो गई है। एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत की भावना। प्रधानमंत्री बोले, यहाँ की लाइब्रेरी में कुरान है तो रामायण भी सहेजी गई है। एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत की भावना मजबूत हो, इस पर हम सभी को काम करना है।